Pap test. Let's see how bad it hurts. Say, hey, boyfriend. I'm ready to go home. I'm hungry. But yeah. And they're gonna check to see if he's still breached. If he is, he coming sooner. But yeah. Y'all let her look cute? They do look cute, don't I know.
3 to 5 minutes less than the duration stronger. You can't walk, talk, or laugh through. Those contractions are getting stronger, lasting longer. Been that way for, yeah, it looks good. Been that way for roughly, roughly 2 hours with the first baby. Come on in. We'll go over the precautions every time. Once the baby's in this position, it's not likely that's going to flip, which is good for you. So the head is, that's what the head is. And that's what we're feeling. So I thought it felt pretty firm, but then I couldn't tell for sure that this was anything up here. You know, but now we know for sure it is, so that's all good. I'm surprised.
Look at him.
Sometimes they do what they're supposed to do, sometimes they don't. We don't know which ones are going to behave, which ones aren't, so one of those deals. Any questions for me?
No, sir.
I guess that's a good thing.
DJ getting beat though.
It's time to wrap it up. Okay, so update, the cervix check, sweep, whatever you want to call it, didn't hurt. It was just pressure, a little uncomfortable. He stuck two fingers in there, two fingers in there, right? And Daniel, dad over here, nervous, thinking the doctor finna hurt the baby because the doctor was pressing on my stomach at the top hard. Like, he think everything hurt DJ. DJ fine. He thought ultrasound hurt the baby. Thank you, Bobo. Yeah, baby is head down. God is good. Our prayers were answered. I prayed over him last night too. But yeah, so now we just waiting for DJ to come whenever he ready to come. So we're gonna finish making the hospital bag this week. Cause I started making milk last night, y'all. Like, I was looking at my titty, well, my nipple, and I seen something shiny like silk. And then I looked closer and I was like trying to, you know, open the nipple part. I'm looking like, is that milk? Is that colostrum? I said, ooh, I'm somebody mama for real. So I was squeezing my titty, right? And it was coming out. I was like, ah, where the breast pump at? Let me start pumping milk so I can freeze it. But yeah, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm really somebody mama. I think that's really what made me think, like, I'm ready. I'm so ready to be his mommy, you know. I've been ready to be somebody mama, but that milk just made me more excited to hurry up and see him so he can come out. But baby head down. He was kicking in the doctor's office. Oh, he was waiting to be seen. But yeah, that had made us late. So I feel like that's really why we were sitting there for like probably 45 minutes waiting to get seen. We was 30 minutes late to our appointment, but yeah. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna have more videos coming soon. Yeah, anything else you want to say?
No.
Yeah, I just made this time. You trying to get hit? This man is so dramatic. Like, he think everything hurt me. If I lean over the counter, be careful, be careful. Like, I know this is our first seed. That baby is fine. The baby don't care about how much I've been throwing up. Baby don't care about my feelings. Do he? He don't.
Why you keep doing that shit, bro?
Doing what? Doing what? Okay. It's my camera anyway.
Right.
But yeah, I'm excited, y'all. Who honking?
Not me.
I'm excited because y'all gonna see my way of how I prep and how I nest.
Tell that nigga print that.
I'm talking. Y'all gonna see how I prep and how I nest, unlike everybody else, because one thing about me, I'm gonna do it the lazy way, the smart way, and the convenient way. Okay, I'm gonna be a lazy mama. I'm gonna be a very lazy prepared mama. So
you're not saying it.
No, like we be doing extra, like having everything in a hospital bag for no when it's not gonna be used much or even long. Like, it's just stupid stuff you should pack in a hospital bag, you know? Or like an unnecessary amount of items for a newborn. Like, he's gonna be a newborn for not that long. You don't need all them newborn clothes. It's a washer and dryer for a reason. Okay, it's a baby. That's just how I look at it. I feel like I'm just gonna have my own little baby doll. Like, I can't wait till he come, y'all. So excited. Yeah, let's go eat something. We should go home and eat food at the house. Y'all, sorry, I'm tired. We're at the car wash. We just washed the car. He drying it. I sat back in the car because I'm tired and it's hot outside. I'm very parched. I'm very, very parched. But that is almost done. So I want a snow cone. We still gotta go to Target. I need to pack this hospital bag. He keep on dragging it out. We ain't even got the car seat in the back yet. All because of him. I'm blaming him. We're really on Black folks time, but it's okay. We're gonna get it done this week. We're gonna have to. But yeah, I'll show y'all the hospital bag later if we ever go to Target today. So yeah, bye. What this man doing? He look like somebody daddy. Working hard at the car wash. Okay. Y'all, he blushing. He's still blushing. He's so sweet and innocent. Uh-huh. Y'all, it's so hot in here. I forgot I was sitting in the car and I could turn the AC on. I turned on these blinkers these windshield wipers on accident when I turned the car on. I don't know how to turn them off, so I'm gonna just let him turn them off when he come in. But yeah, I need to lay down, eat some icicles, popsicles. Dang, I can't even talk. We just took a shower this morning and we already sweaty. Oh, I could take a fat nap right now, y'all. Anyways, whatever. Hey y'all, we at the park trying to be active to help this baby get out of me quicker. Look at you in the ugly outfit.
Shout out to Dada.
Shout out to Dada or whatever. He said he looked cute to me because my belly looks like
my stomach look like y'all.
My stomach has a baby in it.
We still look good together. That's what I'm trying to tell you. You feel me?
Anyways, we just ate some tacos and went to the doctor appointment. We are 37 weeks today. 37. Period.
Ooh.
Thumbnail. That was a good one. That's cute. Okay, where are we walking to?
In the forest.
He wants to walk in the forest, as he calls it. It's a really pretty park, but okay, bye y'all.
What
Talk to y'all later.
We met on this park?
Oh, we met this black couple, and they was praying too, and they was like do it around the same time as us.
I'm saying though, the first day we met was.
Oh yeah. Okay.
First day. Yeah.
I take that back. So this park is where we actually first met at. I take that back. This is where we had our first date.
Yeah.
This is where everything occurred. This is how I got pregnant. This is the place where I was like, oh yeah, this is my husband. But yeah, it was a crazy day. We had a little picnic, y'all. It was so romantic. It was right there, y'all. He had like the flowers, the charcuterie board, all that, because he asked me what I wanted at the park, and he got everything, y'all. Like the cheese, the little ham, the crackers, the drinks. He had. Did you have wine glasses? He had wine glasses. He had flowers. He had like a little tablecloth. It was so cute, y'all. And that's how I became a mother. He made me a whore. LOL. But yeah. But look at this lighting. That lighting pretty.
Oh, we took a picture the other day.
Oh, this is a good thumbnail. Something biting. Oh.
Be careful.
But yeah, we cute.
What?
That's a fly. Run, Bubba, run. Run, Bubba. Run. Let me see how fast you can run.
Nah, man.
Go.
Nah, baby.
Go.
I ain't got no shoes. Huh?
I don't care. We both got on Crocs. Someone's a coward. I'm just kidding. But yeah, this is where we had our
Nah.
This is where we had our first date. And then after that, the rest is history. Literally 8 months ago, we met in September. And y'all can do the math. So yeah, no judgments, but he did get me pregnant on the first day, if not the second. I did the calculations because I put it in my notes because I document when I was doing it. And we did it a week after we did it the first time.
Oh.
So, according to my calculations, it was somewhere in between the 17th of September and the 24th. Yeah. So, your little sperm went inside my... Don't slap me, nigga. You got me mad. You got me so mad. Now look at the pretty water. How cute. I want to swim. I've been wanting to swim this whole pregnancy, well, just recently. But it's too hot outside and my hair is done. So, y'all, look how pretty this is. I want to jump in so bad. Like, the water just looks so thirst quenching. I've been wanting to swim for the longest. I've been seeing turtles and fishes. I just want to be in the water with the animals. I want to be where the people are. I want to see them dancing. What's that? Hi guys, we are at whatchamacallit. We are at Tarjay getting stuff for the hospital bag and baby DJ because somebody wants to be on nigga time. So we are last minute shopping. And he's distracting me. He's late for work because that's his problem. Daniel Ray, come here. Daniel Ray, come here. Don't rush me. This look cute. They don't have many options here. I'm better off buying it online. Anyways, y'all, he been hitting me. I've been hitting. We've been fighting in the mall, in Tarjay. But
You know what you want, right?
shut up. I'm right in the section where I'm at. Stop distracting me.
Let's go then.
No. Get on my nerves. Come push this cart. Ugly butt. Anyways. They ain't got no whatchamacallit. We looking for like a changing pad because I need that for the bed. But that's how he's sleeping in the bed with us. But they ain't got many options. We're not trying to break the bank because I'm the cheap one. And we using these Tarjay gift cards that was gifted to us. So, can't drive either, clearly. Daniel Ray, come here.